I got a call from Harold Holly. He said, I got an opportunity to come drive that Kleenex car, but unfortunately, he's already offered it to your brother Mark.
He called you to tell you that?
He wanted me to come drive it. So for the next couple days, I tried to figure out how I was going to ask Mark if I could do it. He was all good with it. I remember him telling me that I deserved it more than he did. So that's a brotherly love, and that ever will be. And I'll always be indebted to him for that.
Where did he end up?
I think he went to that Dr. Pepper car, and I can't remember who owned it now.
Golly, I can't believe you did that to him.
Yeah, well.
It's one car,
Yeah.
two brothers.